All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of a first floor West Roxbury 1-bedroom apartment. So there's a couple of unique things about this unit. First of all, it is very spacious. You have lots of room. Okay, we open up into this foyer with some vinyl flooring. We have a common closet, coat closet right there. We got a working intercom, some radiator heating throughout. Hardwood floors in the bedroom, okay? Some more radiator heating. Another closet, good size, all right? We got some electrical outlets. And this is the first floor, as I mentioned, so you're facing the front of this beautifully tree-lined street. There's a beautiful, huge park across the street. Okay, yeah, we already got that closet. And then here we have the living room area. And you can swap these two rooms, the living room and the bedroom, for whatever suits your needs. More of that radiator heating. Again, that's one of the unique features. And again, some windows, couch not included. And into the bathroom where you have your basic essentials: toilet, sink, your vanity right there, standing shower tub combo as per the usual here in Boston. Now here's what's one of the other unique features: full size, full kitchen with your gas stove, vent, some cabinets up top, sink, fridge. This is your egress, so it'll take you to the rear of the building. What's really nice is this extra space right here, which you can easily set up a table, a good sized table for dining. Some windows facing the side of the building. As you can see, it's a spacious kitchen, really nice. Some built-in cabinetry right here on the sides, partitioning, semi-partition. And there is laundry in the basement, coin operated. Heat and hot water included, and you're not too far from the commuter rail. So hope you enjoyed the video tour. Okay, if you have any other questions or concerns, reach out to Angel at lmcrealtyboston.com. Happy hunting.